I renovated. I made the decision back in November when I bought this house that I wanted to finish and renovate the basement. So I began the project of renovation in December and completed it throughout COVID. Did the job throughout COVID, and we were able to complete it just a few weeks ago. I chose RenoDuck for the renovation because I had read about them on HomeStars. They had some excellent reviews, and I went with those reviews and decided to go with RenoDuck. When I met the individuals, when I met Alex and Darius, the team at RenoDuck, I was very impressed. I saw the work they had done before, and I was quite happy to work with them. RenoDuck did an excellent job. They were able to coordinate all of the trades. I was given lots of time to plan around the trades being available and in the house. They also did it throughout COVID and were extremely safe and careful with all of the tradespeople that came into the house. What I liked about RenoDuck is the tradespeople are all experts at what they do. So when they have framing, they have an expert framer come in. When they're doing flooring, they have a floor individual, painting, etc. All of the trades are skilled tradesmen. I would recommend RenoDuck for anyone looking to do a basement renovation. I was very happy with the service. I was very happy with the customer service that I got from the team, Alex and Darius, the project manager. I would certainly highly recommend them for anyone looking to do a basement renovation. My biggest fear during this renovation was trying to have it all happen during the COVID crisis and situation. But everything was done carefully. My fears were eliminated through the work of the RenoDuck team. If you've got a basement renovation that you're looking to have done, I would highly recommend using RenoDuck. I think you'll be very pleased with the results, the quality craftsmanship that they have displayed in the renovation they did in my basement. I'm very happy, and I think anyone who uses RenoDuck will be happy as well. Thank you.